I'm sitting with the girl Riley, or guy. We don't judge. I don't know. I don't want to say I'm stuck, but I was just thinking, I was like, dang, what would make my voice stronger other than using it? Like, exercise your right to speak, baby. That's what you got a strong voice for. Like, don't be an idiot. And I don't want to be an idiot, so I'm just like, okay, so what does that mean for me? I'm giving you the best that I got. Listen, baby. But no, I haven't been like writing music. I've been more of writing things I would like to say, energies I'm planning ahead. Like, whatever that means for me, I'm planning ahead. I tell you now, I'm gonna keep on giving you the best that I got. In the environment I'm in. So, I'm just like, I'm here to lead, I'm not here to please. I ain't by myself, you feel them frequencies. I manifest my wealth, yes, the God in me. I manifest my health. Now I'm abundantly existing out of the matrix, in the same place they can't take it. Influence, I can't fake it. I just do my thing. I ain't racing. I mind my business. I probably wanna go fishing. I'm done doing these dishes, cause there's a world that I'm missing. So I'ma bring it to me. I manifest my dreams. Yeah, that's the God in me. Or it's the God of the whole planet see, a world of weeds, but maybe just me, understanding things, gonna go your way. If you leave, I hate, you need to fix your face, stay the fuck out my way. Stay the fuck out my way. Oh my God. So I've just found out that Riley be dropping caterpillars. I didn't know. All these times I come and I chill with Riley, I ain't never had that encounter. And then one time I got in a car, like a few days back, probably a week or so, and it was a little caterpillar on my ankle. And I was like, where the fuck this come from? Because it just like, it like dropped from somewhere. So it probably was like on my head or something. Or like on my clothes. And then it fell on my damn leg. And I was like, girl, you got caterpillars in your car? What is going on? But no. It was from me sitting under the tree previously. And then this guy that I've been hanging with, or he told me that, like, he's like, you gotta watch out because it be caterpillars falling from this tree. And I'm just like, not Riley. Riley is good. She don't do things like that. And then I have, because he said it after the incident with it falling on my leg. He said it after that. And then I was like, oh, okay. fuck is this going on? So I ain't been outside in a week for whatever reasons, and I'm okay with it. But but I just seen a caterpillar, and it was like the one that fell on my leg, and I was like, oh Riley, it is you. And I seen like 2 or 3 of them. So like now every time the wind blow and something drop, I'm looking around like, oh my gosh, my eyes has been opened to another reality. Like, I don't want to be, get no caterpillar stuck in these crevices, because I'm not a tiny woman, but I'm also not big as fuck. So it's just like I can feel it and I can see it. I just don't want it to happen. You catch my drift? Yeah. Look, another one done. Oh, now he on my damn laptop, but fell on my shoe. I ain't got no shoes on out here. Oof. Oh Lord, it's making me fidgety now. It interrupted my nervous system, and it's wild because it's a wasp right here flying behind me, and that motherfucker ain't even disturbing my peace. But the thought of these goddamn caterpillars falling on me and bothering my senses, my sensories inside my body, my nervous, yeah, that don't sit well with me at all. I just came out here to get some fresh air, sing a little doo-wop, like whatever comes to the mind. And now I'm already over it. And I don't want to feel that way. I don't want to feel that way because this is my spot. This is my homie, my girl, my boy, my tree, okay? So I remove it. I remove those frequencies frequently. But it is what it is, I guess. If a caterpillar is supposed to land on me and I'm supposed to freak out, I guess it's gonna happen. But let me not do my head like that, because everything look connected. I made a vow, I'm giving you the best that I got, baby. Trying to see so I could give me a little lean on. We love so strong and so unselfishly. That was terrible. For who sung it and for who heard it. I'm gonna keep on. That's not the best that I got, big. It made me laugh. It tickled me, so I did it. 111, get it done. 222, what it do? 333, you and me. Peace, love, and harmony. 444, I adore. 555, I'm alive. 666, what I miss. 777, good luck in heaven. 888, big money on the way. 999, bitch, I am divine. 1010, it's time to win. 1111, I don't know. But I just stopped at 1010 because those are my things. What is it called? Like Morse code, when people do like tapping and stuff and try to talk to you. Every time I hear a bird make that noise, I be thinking they're trying to communicate with me. But I don't know Morse code, so I don't know what they're trying to say. So they just sit. They just sit and they yell, and then they go about their day. They go about their day, and it's okay. It's okay. I'll understand you one day. Not today, though. Not today.